Hello, this is Ghostlike. In the last video, I did my best to motivate us, and boy are we going to need that motivation for the stuff in this video here. Functional programming itself is great, but Fable's package management is horrible. Let me just say that this is not a problem with F# or .NET in general. Starting up a .NET project in big Visual Studio and even Visual Studio Code is seamless. It is not a problem to find over a decade-old project on GitHub, log outdated versions of the .NET framework and have it run effortlessly. Microsoft is really good at backwards compatibility. But Fable, which is an F# language compiler for JavaScript, compiles to JavaScript. Hence, Fable projects tend to compile to two different platforms. JavaScript on the front end using the Fable compiler and .NET on the back end using the F# native compiler. This results in a complex compilation pipeline, and the effort of figuring it out took up my last week. Take for example the save stack, which I will be covering in this series. Building a regular .NET project is effortless, but a save stack project involves the package manager, which is on top of NuGet, fake build scripts, npm the node package manager, webpack, which is fairly complex to work with, .NET solution files, femto to help resolve npm dependencies in Fable projects. Though there are VS Code plugins to help you, most of that you need to manage from the command line. All of this would be fine if everything was stable and good to go. But on my machine, even starting the template runs into an error. This particular error is easy to fix, but you will run into errors if you try to update the packages to the latest version. Suppose you try any of the save samples on the main site. The save dojo is fine, but at the time of the recording, the rest of them are broken and outdated. The libraries themselves are fine, but the docs fell behind. So in this video I will do a screencast showing you how to set up a basic project using the save template from start to finish. Sorry about the long intro, and let's get started. hope you found this helpful. If you have, please like and subscribe, it helps me out. In the following videos I will show you how to simplify the dev server setup by replacing Webpack with Vite. I'll also show you how to use the Elmish debugger. So be well and I will see you in the next video.